In this video, you will learn how you can connect or integrate your Process Street application with your Google Sheets. So guys, Process Street is a process management application in which you can create workflows of your processes. Okay, so guys, if you want to add the tasks you are checking inside the Process Street into your Google Sheets spreadsheet application, this automation is for you. Here, you just have to check the task in Process Streets, and all those tasks will be added inside a row in Google Sheets application automatically. For that, you just have to follow the process I'm going to show you, and we are going to do this without any coding very easily. So let's start. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation. So Pabbly Connect is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I have pasted the same link in the description as well. So from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. So here in this name field, you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as Process Street to Google Sheets integration. And after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two modules, we can set up any automation. So guys, in the trigger, you have to connect the trigger application. That means the application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So trigger event is the event which is going to kickstart this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger, right? So first of all, here you can see in our use case, Process Street will be our trigger application, and checking of any task in Process Street's workflows will act as the trigger event. Okay, so you have to search for Process Street, then select the application, and in the trigger event, you can select all these trigger events. You can see we have workflow created, workflow completed, task approved, task rejected, task ready to checked. All these trigger events we have. Right now I'm selecting this one, task checked / unchecked. Okay, so it is going to trigger whenever you check a task or uncheck a task. Okay, so it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with Process Street, and you need to follow these steps written here to make this connection. Okay, so let me show you the process. First of all, you need to reach the Process Street application. This is Process Street application, guys. And this is a workflow I have created for customer onboarding. Okay, and here you can see I have this profile section on the top right. From here, you have to click on settings, and under settings, you will find this integrations tab. Click on integrations, and under integrations, you have to click on this new webhook button. Click on new webhook, and this kind of field will appear. Here it will ask for the template of the workflow that you are using. So I'm using this customer onboarding quick start workflow template right now. So I'm selecting this, and in this URL field, you have to paste this webhook URL. So just click on copy from here and paste this URL here like this. Okay, and from these check boxes, you have to check this box when tasks are checked / unchecked. Okay, and you can uncheck this. Just check this box when tasks are checked or unchecked, then toggle this active button to on. Okay, and we are done here. Now you can go back to the workflow that you were running. So this was our workflow of customer onboarding, and here I have already completed one task, so I have checked this box. Okay, and here you can see in our workflow, as I have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to check another box from the tasks list, and as and when we are going to check the task, the details of the task will be captured here. Okay, let's do this. Here, the second task we have in this customer onboarding workflow is onboarding calls. So I'm going to, let's just suppose that this work is completed. Okay, and I'm checking this box here. to mention that this task is completed. So I have checked this box, you can see. Okay, onboarding calls completed. Let's check in the workflow if we got the data captured of this process. And here you can see guys, the data got captured like this in this response received section. And here it is showing the account details, the username, the ID, the email by which the process street account is created. And here you can see the data status of the task completed, the data name, onboarding calls. Okay. And here you can see the checklist name, customer onboarding. So this is how it is. This is how we can capture the task details. And now I want to send these details to my spreadsheet, which I have created here in Google Sheets application. So this is the spreadsheet I have created. And in this spreadsheet, I want to add these kind of informations about the task that I have checked, the task status, name, and the checklist name or the workflow name. Okay. So for that, I'm going to connect Google Sheets here in this Actions tab. And from here, you have to search for Google Sheets. And in the action event, select this add new row option. Then click on connect. And from here, select add new connection. Then click on connect with Google Sheets. And from here, you have to select the Google account by which you have created that sheet. All right. And then you have to provide some additional access to your Google account. Just click on continue from here. And you can see the authorization is successful. And we are connected here. And here it is asking for selecting the spreadsheet's name. So the name of my spreadsheet is this process street tasks. So you can see this is the list of all the spreadsheets I have. From here, I'm selecting this one. And the sheet name, you can see my sheet name is sheet 1. So it got auto selected here. And here it is asking for the task status, task name, and checklist name. So these are the headers of the columns we have here. You can see task status, name, and checklist name. Okay. So to fill the details in these columns, we are going to map the labels that we have received here in the triggers tab. So you can see we have mapped these labels, the checklist name label, the data name label, and the data status label. So to map the details here, you just have to click here and it will show you the trigger step and the drop down. And when you click on it, all the data that you have captured will appear here like this. So from here, you can map the status label. Similarly, you can map the task name label as well. Okay. And the checklist or the workflow name as well. Okay. Right. Now you can check your connection with Google Sheets by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and a new row will be added here in this spreadsheet. Let me show you. I am clicking on Save and Send Test Request button. And this is the response we have received. Let's check in the spreadsheet if we got the data. And here you can see the data got collected here in a new row like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, guys, whenever you are going to check or uncheck any task in process street, this workflow is going to run in the background, and you will see the details of the task that are being checked here in the spreadsheet automatically. Okay. So if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.